In today's edition of the daytime show, which is usually hosted by the top telly duo pondered whether it was ever appropriate to schedule your sex life. Does it take the romance out of marriage? Eamonn asked the viewers at home. The love coaches say it guarantees intimacy. A rather snide Ruth cut in. Like 6:30 a.m. on a Saturday. The pair divulged even further later in the show, when they teased the upcoming segment. "1/22, said, maybe we're underestimating what scheduling sex can do for your relationship." To which Eamonn replied, "Well, I'm just thankful. Whenever, whatever. That's it." He also teased his bedroom attire to aghast viewers, hinting that he chose to wear a silk kimono while wooing his wife of nearly 8 years at 6 in the morning. The rather frank conversation of the pair's slap and tickle habits took fans a little by surprise, with viewers flocking to Twitter to discuss the filthy topic. "Eamonn talking about sex makes me want to vomit," wrote one fan. "Is advising us to have sex at 6. A fourth shocked viewer spoke for the nation when they simply asked, "What the F***? Loose women in pictures." The candid loose women panelists are always shocking us with their confessions. Here are some of the best revelations. 1/68 It was quite the revealing this morning when Ruth also confessed she used to be a grid girl. "Someone dropped out, and I stepped in. I wasn't very good at it. I found it boring too. You are on your feet all day." Eamonn asked for photo evidence, but Ruth, who was 19 at the time, said he'd never find any. This Morning continues weekdays at 10:30 a.m. on. Related articles.